have also affected India, which released people across Punjab are facing rising waters, with nearly 300,000 already evacuated. Authorities warned these numbers could grow as the floodwaters moved downstream to neighbouring Sindh, the epicentre of Pakistan.